With zero emissions and an exhilarating drive, the BZ4X is hitting the market at just the right time as we expand our already comprehensive electrified product lineup, said Mike Tripp, Vice President, Toyota Marketing. As a human-centered company, Toyota remains committed to offering customers a diverse portfolio of products to meet their individual needs and move us toward a carbon-neutral future. BZ4X joins an extensive lineup of Toyota electrified vehicles that, in total, accounts for more than 24% of Toyota's total U.S. sales volume. These include hydrogen fuel cell electrics, hybrids, plug-in hybrids, and battery electric vehicles. Toyota envisions a future in which carbon neutrality is achieved through the practical marketization of a portfolio of products with advanced, alternative fuel and zero-emission powertrain technologies. Toyota plans to expand to around 70 electrified models globally by 2025. This future lineup will feature 15 dedicated BEVs, including 7 carrying the BZ, Beyond Zero, brand moniker. This diverse portfolio of electrified products will help propel Toyota toward its goal of carbon neutrality by 2050. Based on the design theme High and Emotional, the all-new, all-electric SUV offers styling that is as bold and modern as the vehicle itself. The front view of the BZ4X has an aerodynamic design, and the curved shape of the front bumper expresses a certain uniqueness from other vehicles. The large hammerhead shark-like shape that runs from the hood to the top of the headlamps gives BZ4X a sleek silhouette. The rear design exudes a powerful stance, thanks to the combination lamps, rear hatch, and bumper's trapezoidal theme that extends all the way to the tires.